Hi guys, I'm going to explain how to kind of construct this garment. I've done the pattern work already, so I took pictures of making it. So let me just finish this, then I can show you how to begin with it. Right, you always start chaining 6 because that's your starter chain, and then the extra 3 stitches. Turn your work, and then you half double crochet into the chain 3, but that will be a chain 6, but start a chain, but you go into that, it'll be classed as chain 3 anyway. If you're a crochet, you would understand. Then you chain 3 again, you go into the chain 3 space with a half double crochet, you chain 3 again, and you go into the chain 3 space again, next one, with a half double crochet, chain 3, half double crochet into the chain 3. You do that all the way till the end. Oh. This will make the hood afterwards. You will fold it because you'll do the hood in rows, then you'll fold it, and then you've got that, and you'll just slip stitch or sew this together. The body part is 30 rows of mesh stitch. Then you do the 2 panels. With those 15 rows. Always start with a foundation, then it won't be as tight. Yeah, that's how you make a body.